Welcome back, Marco here. ShibaSWAP is finally out. Yes, guys, this is absolutely the best news that we were looking for. So in this video, we're gonna have a look at what to do now. You can stake your coins, you can do many things, but are the fees worth the game? Well, that's what we're gonna look in this video. Now, finally, ShibaSWAP is out. So in this video, we're gonna have a look at the cost of the gas fees at the moment because they are ridiculous, how to save money on that, and also how to connect your MetaMask wallet. So to connect your MetaMask wallet, that's very simple, guys. You just have to click on use swap and that will send you to ShibaSWAP. Then you would go and click on connect wallet. And at this point, you go and click on MetaMask. That's very simple. If you have got your MetaMask wallet connected, as in my case, it's all done. I'm signed in and all of that. So you click on next. And that's basically, and also again, connect. And there we are. So let me show you how you would want to, for example, bury, and which means also to stake your Shib coin. So you would go here and click on stake tokens. Then you would click on the very first one. It's bury Shib. And here we are. So at the moment I have 0 Shib, but you would go and click on the percentage you want to stake. It could be even, you could also enter the figure manually like that. And then you will click on approve. And then in this case, it would just come out with obviously transaction fees. And these fees are basically gas fees. This is what we are looking at. Hence why we are gonna even talk about gas fees. So what if you want to send your tokens now? And what if you want to actually save on gas fees? Well, let me give you some tips. I'm actually planning to make a broader video where I actually talk about saving on gas fees, because that's a lot of money that you could potentially throw in the bin. So we don't want to do that on this channel, but then I'm gonna give you some quick tips to just get started and try to save some money. So what I wanted to show you is that if you now transfer, you actually have a lot of fees, but there are ways for you to get around it, and I think it would be very beneficial for you to do so, because okay, there is a reason you might want to just jump onto it. There is a reason. I'm gonna show you just 1 second, but if you save money, that would be better, wouldn't it? Now, the reason why you might want to just jump onto it, but to be honest, I would suggest to not do it, is because if you get onto ShibaSWAP as soon as possible, as soon as they launch it, basically they launched ShibaSWAP this morning UK time, and then that meant for 14 days, there is an increased rate of bone. Basically, 1,000 bones per block will be minted for allocation pool users, blah, blah, blah. I'm sorry to say that, unfortunately, the English is not great in this paper, but what it really means that it basically the rate of bones given for staking your Shib is actually way higher in the first 14 days in comparison to well, after these 14 days, from the 14 days after onwards. But on the other side, we have these incredible gas fees that I'm gonna show you in 1 second versus what you could potentially save and actually make in terms of obviously staking investment. And so this is what we are looking at. Basically, these are the gas fees, and we see that at the moment is really incredibly high, and it keeps jumping. It goes up and down like crazy. Now, the problem with gas fees is that they actually go up when people start to actually use coins a lot. And as you can see, that's Tuesday, that's today. But if you look at, for example, yesterday, it was actually very good. Over the weekend, it was fantastic. It was absolutely great. We had like 10, 11 ways. That's the unit of measurement for gas fees. And so basically, you see that normally it's very low, and only today is incredibly high. Now that means that there is obviously a way to avoid gas fees, and the simplest one is the one we're gonna look in this video. I'm gonna make a special video only to save on gas fees, because if you're trading or if you also deal a lot in cryptocurrencies, you move them between wallets and etc., you want to do it, guys. So let's have a look at it right now. Now this is a list of the time when the gas fees is the lowest, and this is Eastern time. So for example, from 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. Sunday, basically when people are in bed, they are sleeping, mostly, you know, as a rule of thumb, take a screenshot of this, like stop the video, take a screenshot. This is very important for you to save money. and what I suggest you do in this occasion as well with ShibaSWAP, because it's incredibly expensive to move your tokens now, to move your Shib from your wallet or actually Binance, because that's the problem. If you move it from Binance to, for example, MetaMask, it's gonna cost you an arm and a leg. So you want to wait a little bit, a few hours, guys. I'm not talking about days. You want to try to aim for when people are in bed, basically, when people are not just doing anything, mostly when Americans are in bed. So you think that that's the absolute best. In that very moment, you save on gas fees. And what's really interesting is that at the time of recording, Shiba Inu is actually up. And I'm sure that the reason why we are going up is mostly due to the fact that ShibaSWAP has come out for certain, but also that these gas fees are insanely high. And when you actually sell, basically you give away your Shib coin, your Shiba Inu coin, this is the reason why we have this spike, because all these gas fees and etc. is happening, and this is the kind of pump that is the result of these gas fees being thrown in the bin, basically, because you lose money. Now, do I think this thing is gonna progress in terms of technical analysis? I do not think so. I think that from tomorrow onwards, we are gonna have lower gas fees, lower even obviously price from the moment. At the moment, I think that this pump is mostly due to gas fees. And another catalyst that many people have missed, I'm gonna show you in 1 second, and this is something that is actually quite important. This is the catalyst. Shopping.io is actually excited to announce that they're starting today accepting Shib as form of payment, so you will be able to purchase on Amazon, eBay and Walmart. This is insane, guys. This is something that I probably am gonna go deeper into my next video, because this is massive. I don't think people do even understand how big this is. It happened yesterday, but it's insanely big. People will be able to use Shib to, make payments, and this is incredibly good. Now, let me know if you're struggling to use ShibaSWAP, and let me know what you're struggling with. I'm gonna make a video to help you, or alternatively, I'm gonna give you a link in the comment section, all of this, so let me know what you're struggling with. And if you want to know more news on Shiba Inu coin, watch this video. The video on the screen right now are more news on Shiba Inu coin, so click on the video.